Hello, my name is Nico. Thank you for joining me today in this quick look at the Tutima Grand Flieger Airport Automatic, reference 6101-01. Starting with the case is stainless steel with a diameter of 43 millimeters and a case height of 13 millimeters. At the front of the watch, you have a bidirectionally rotatable coin edge bezel with red reference marker as well as a luminous marker. This watch is on a black leather strap with white contrast stitching and a stainless steel folding clasp. Going back to the front of the watch, the dial is velvet black and features luminous indices as well as a luminous hour and minute hand with central seconds. The 3 o'clock position, you have your day and date window. The day can be set in either English or German. At the side of the watch, you have your medium-sized screw-in crown. The front, you have a domed anti-reflective sapphire crystal. And turning the watch over, you have your screw-in case back with another sapphire crystal, giving you a view of the caliber Tutima 330 automatic movement. The movement features 25 jewels, polished screws, Tutima gold seal on the rotor, and a power reserve of 38 hours when fully wound. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like more information on this watch, please visit the link in the description. With that link, you can also find a local authorized Tutima dealer where you can go and try this watch on.